Watch out on how we are going to use some simple logics and the laws of indices in finding the value of x in this expression that is given to us. This is a Mathematics Olympiad exam question. We are asked to solve for x in 3 multiplied by x to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of x plus 10. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more simplified mathematics content. Now let's get started. Now from this expression, you'll notice that x to the power of x, the power x is only attached to the power of the x, the base x. So we are simply going to expand that. And you will come to notice that x plus 10 is also can be expanded using a law of indices, in which if we have a to the power of x plus y, and this can be equal to a to the power of x multiplied by a to the power of y, right? So we're going to expand that. So if we expand that, we're going to have 3 multiplied by x to the power of x, and this will be equal to 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 3 to the power of x. So we have 3 to the power of x multiplied by 3 to the power of 10. Now from this expression, we can simplify further by dividing both sides by 3 to the power of x. And why are we doing this? So that we can clear 3 to the power of x from the right hand side. So if we do that, 3 to the power of x will clear 3 to the power of x, and then on the right hand side we'll be left with 3 to the power of 10, and this will be equal to 3 to the power 3 multiplied by x to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x. Now from the left hand side, you'll notice that we have the value 3. Now from this value 3, we can simply clear 3 from the left hand side, and that will make us have just x to the power of x divided by x to the power of x. And now to do away with that value of 3, we need to multiply both sides by 1 divided by 3. And that will give us 1 divided by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by x to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x. And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 10 multiplied by 1 divided by 3, because whatever we do to the left hand side, we must definitely do to the right hand side. So this 3 is going to clear this 3, and then we'll be left with x to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of x, and this will be equal to 3 to the power of 10 divided by 3 to the power of 1. Now, according to the law or division law of indices, this expression can simply be simplified to give us 3 to the power of 9. Now, recall that law of indices. If you have a to the power of x divided by a to the power of y, this can simply give us a to the power of x minus y, right? So this expression is now going to give us x divided by 3 all to the power of x, because they have the same power. Now what do we do to this expression so as to have the same base? To have the same base here, we need to multiply both sides by the exponent 1 divided by 3. That way we can make the left hand side have x divided by 3. That way the base can be same with the power, and then we can expand or expatiate more. So if we do that, we're going to have the value of our x divided by 3 all multiplied by x multiplied by 1 divided by 3, right? And this will be equal to 3 to the power of 9 multiplied by 1 divided by 3. So this expression is going to give us the value of x divided by 3 all to the power of x divided by 3, right? And this will give us 3 to the power of 9 divided by 3. While we have 3 here, 1, 9 divided by 3 will give us 3. So you see, we are going to have same base, x divided by 3, all to the power of x divided by 3, and then we're going to have same base to the power 3 to the power of 3. Now recall a certain principle in mathematics that we will have x to the power of x equal to a to the power of a, then our x must be equal to a as long as a is greater than or equal to 1. Now if we apply that, that means the exponent can equate. And if the exponent equates, then we will have that expression to now give us x divided by 3 equal to 3. So if we multiply both sides by 3, we're going to have x divided by 3 multiplied by 3 to be equal to 3 multiplied by 3. And then if this clears this, the value of our x will now be equal to 9. So the solution to that expression given to us is x equal to 9. Now let's check to find out if our solution is absolutely right. We are given the value of 3 multiplied by x to the power of x equal to 3 to the power of 10 x plus 10. Now if we are given that expression, we are asked to find 3 multiplied by x to the power of x, right, equal to 3 to the power of x plus 10. So what would this give us? This will give us 3 multiplied by 9 to the power of 9, right, equal to 3 to the power of 9 plus 10. So 9 plus 10 is going to give us, this is going to give us 3 to the power of 19, while this gives us 3 multiplied by 3 to the power of 2 is 9 multiplied by 9. And 3 to the power of 2, that will give us 3 to the power of 9 times 2 is 18, and this is equal to 3 to the power of 19. So what do we have? Using the laws of indices, we have this to be 1, and that will be 3 to the power of 19 equal to 3 to the power of 19. So that simply tells us that the left hand side is equal to the right hand side, and that shows us that this value of x equal to 9 is the right solution to that expression that was given to us above here. If you did find value watching this mathematics solution, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with friends and colleagues, and remember to subscribe to my channel for more Olympiad exam questions solution. Thanks so much for watching, and bye bye for now.